is my time. I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time.
It was awesome. I love it here, and that's why I keep coming back. The environment is so chill, and you learn so much with so many great people, and you just get to do so many different things, and you're tired by the end of the week, but you keep wanting to come back.
10, 9, paid all my dues, waited in line. 8, 7, now it's about time that I take mine. 6, 5, king of the jungle, heart of a lion. 4, 3, 2, 1, watch out, here I come.
Summer Shot is absolutely incredible. The amount of knowledge that all the teachers have is amazing, and we're just learning so much.
The campus and the access to all the equipment that we have is really cool.
Just really taking advantage of the PAs that we have here, the project advising.
You learn so much from people that are so involved in the industry.
Yeah, all about music business and just career building.
This is my time, I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. Cause when it's game time, seconds away and the game's on the line, there ain't no doubt in my mind.
Just getting to work with a different teacher almost every day, getting to expand. Every single person has a different way of looking at their instrument, and on music as a whole, and getting so many different takes on that. I will be studying what I learned this week for the rest of my life.
Now it's about time that I take mine. 6, 5, king of the jungle, heart of a lion. 4, 3, 2, 1, watch out, here I come. This is my time, I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. Cause when it's game time,
people from all over the world are here. It's such a cool melting pot, and definitely enriches you as a person, as an experience, even if it's just a week or 2 weeks, whatever.
this is my time.